Hey guys, and welcome to another Diecast review. Today we're looking at the Matchbox working rigs. We have the International Workstar. I remember my very first video was actually on a International Workstar from the real working rigs, alongside with a basic release of the International Workstar brush truck. It's crazy to think that that was almost 20 years ago. But I've always loved this casting, and they redesigned the Workstar, which is now known as the HV. Has a complete different front end now. It looks cool. I would love to see somebody make it. It would be nice. I have a few of these, if I'm not mistaken. This is a re-release. Yeah, I have a few of these. Always loved the dump truck. It's really cool.